LangChain is an open source framework that lets you connect LLMs like GPT to tools, memory, and data. Think of it as giving your AI the power to reason, recall, and take actions, not just chat. It's how you go from simple prompts to full-fledged GenAI applications. Now let's talk about Agentic AI. Instead of you giving a prompt and getting a one-off reply, Agentic AI works like an autonomous intern. It breaks down a task, reasons through steps, and uses tools to get that job done. LangChain agents just do that. They can access APIs, do web searches, and run Python code, all while managing the logic themselves. Real world demo. Smart Task Planner. Let's say I want to build a smart task planner. With LangChain plus Agentic AI, the app can take a task like plan a 3-day trip to Manali, break it down into subtasks, book hotel, suggest itinerary, check weather. Use tools like Google Maps API, Weather API, Booking.com scraping, all triggered by the agent. Output a full actionable plan, all without you manually planning or guiding each step. And it's all built using LangChain's agent executor pipeline. So whether you're building a chatbot, internal assistant, or dev tool, this is how you scale from a cool idea to a real product. LangChain plus Agentic AI is the GenAI stack that companies are hiring right now. Want to build this from the scratch with expert help? Check out Learnbay's GenAI Master Certification, where you turn AI ideas into real-world apps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want the full tutorial for the Task Planner project.